Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork belly, ensuring a perfectly crispy skin and tender meat. First, select a high-quality skin-on pork belly, ideally 1 to 2 pounds with consistent thickness. Pat the skin completely dry with paper towels, then carefully score it in a diamond pattern, making shallow cuts. Next, apply your favorite dry rub to the meat side only, keeping the skin free of seasoning. Finally, refrigerate the pork belly uncovered overnight. This crucial step helps dry the skin for incredible crackling. Now let's move on to the initial roasting phase. Preheat your oven to a steady 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your prepared pork belly, skin side up, on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air to circulate and fat to drip away. Roast it for about 2 hours. This gentle heat slowly renders the fat and makes the meat incredibly tender. Remember, keeping the skin exposed is key for the next step. This is where the magic happens for that irresistible crispy skin. After the slow roast, increase your oven temperature to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see the skin begin to puff up and turn a beautiful, deep golden brown, forming that perfect crackling. Keep a very close eye on it during this stage, rotating the tray if necessary, to prevent any burning and ensure even crispness. Once your pork belly has achieved that glorious crackling, it's time for the final, important step, resting. Remove it from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Then, with a sharp knife, slice your perfectly crispy pork belly into generous portions. Serve it immediately and savor the incredible combination of tender meat and shattering, golden crackling. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.